That's a wall socket from Israel. It has 3 connectors. That's an adapter for a battery charger, and this one has 2 connectors. The third one has to be for grounding. This has no grounding, so let's just connect the European adapter to the Israeli wall socket, and it's working, it's compatible. So this one with 2, it's compatible with that one with 3. 220 volts, 30 volts, something like that is this one. 240. Okay, and it's working. And a larger one, like this one, which has grounding here on the sides, that one is also compatible with this. And it says plugged in and charging. So it's charging. This one has 2, that one has 3.